What up, my YouTube friends? So I'm back and I want to do something, but I don't know how it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna take you guys with me and I'm gonna see how it looks like. So I've got this car over here, right? So this is my ST150 and I want to slap these wheels onto that car and basically see how it looks like. And yeah, you guys are gonna join me. We're gonna have a look and then you guys will let me know in the comments whether you like it or not. Today we're also going to another stance event with Lobros Collective, and yeah, I'll be joining them, hanging around, checking some cool cars out and speaking to some cool people. Yeah, I think that's going to be quite fun and I'm quite excited for that. So yeah, let's get started. Let's get this wheel off. Let's get this wheel onto their car. And yeah, they are obviously quite filthy, so they need a wash. So once I take them off, I'll give them a wash and then yeah, I'll slap them on that thing. Okay, so because I've got 4 jack stands and obviously 2's already being used and I'm gonna need another 2 for the other car, I think I'm just gonna do the wheels 2x2. So I'll give these ones like just a quick wash and then I will slap them on the other car and then from there do the other 2. So it'll just be a lot easier. So no hose pipe, so I'm gonna use the good old bucket and just splash this thing, but it's gonna be a rough wash. So I have a friend, it's Lano, so he actually came to come and help me. Not really help me, he just came to come bother me. So yeah, let's say hi. She brought us food. Yes, food. You see, this is what you need in life. A car, a friend, a wife, and food. Okay, so update. The 20-minute job took a lousy 2 hours because we ran into some complications with the wheel nut, so I'm gonna have to get that replaced, but luckily I had another one. So one thing I can say is that the car looks very nice. I like it. At first I didn't like it, but I'm kind of warming up to it now, so there you go, I'll show you guys. So we're in the car. Say hi, family. Hi, family. Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna leave now. We're on our way to the stance event at Shareworld. So yeah, we'll update you when we get there.
life, bro. And you?
Easy, brother.
Yeah, man. Easy, man.
I like the car, man. It's looking good.
Yeah, man. Just a little bit of a drop, nothing else.
Ah, lovely, bro. Lovely.
Yeah, it's looking nice, man.
Hello, friends. Of course.
Damn, Shanti.
My brother. I love you, man. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Love you, bro. Easy. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Love you, brother. Robert. I think I need a close-up of that. How are you, my bro? What's up, my G? How are you? Good, good. Thank you. Good, thank you. I'll sort it out. Oh, we got only scrapers.
Yeah. And I put the place below it. I put the
Just tell the people who you are. They know you're my friend, but who are you?
H.
H.
Ralph.
Oh, just
Ralphie.
Ralph. Okay,
Oh,
yeah.
Ralph.
Do you have Instagram? Ralphie?
Yes. It's that. Hey, yo. It's that underscore static underscore rag dot. Well, you're gonna put it up for them,
Yes.
right?
Okay, no,
Thank
that's
you for
fine.
that.
I'll do that.
Just help. Thank you for the help. I appreciate
Okay,
that.
so you obviously drive the champagnecity.com.
Yes.
And how long have you had this car, Ralph?
2016.
And what have you done to it so far? Well, I can see, but like, what did you start with?
The stance of the car.
So coilovers.
Well, I didn't do everything in stages, so I didn't buy and put on the car. I bought and I kept aside, and then it was just one night I put everything on the car. So I didn't. The first thing I ever did on the car was C-notch it. I redrilled the hubs because this is 5100, and then from there I drove the car for a few months, and then it was just a night that I sat. I looked at Donovan's car, Durban Poison. If you all don't know what that is, Durban Poison. And I said, nah, man, I'm gonna get the same loads as my bro. So, yeah, we installed it in one night. That was it. Kept the car clean. After that, I put the rag top and then basic sound.
Awesome, bro. But it's very tasteful. I like the OEM style.
A few static struggles.
Oh, I see. We got some
Damages.
ouchies.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's
We'll
okay.
get fixed. It happened recently.
Thank you, Ralph. Appreciate you, sir.
No problem.
What's up, bro? How are you? Jeez.
Look at this side.
Ah, this thing sucks, bro.
Fucked up my size.
From it being that slow,
Yeah.
the life we chose is hard. And how long have you had the car for?
Probably 5 years. 6 months. Yes. And then on coilovers. How many months? December actually.
So you've been low since December? If anybody wants to find you on social media, bro,
Sego KK.
on Instagram.
IG, yeah.
We.
TikTok also.
Okay, short. Hello, brother.
Good.
So, congratulations on winning Low Limbo.
Thanks.
And as the winner, I'd like for you to close this video off.
What am I saying?
I don't know. Say anything you want to say.
Follow the car, Mrs. Me, and TikTok. Do the most of my boy Chad. Make him go viral. His work is now on point. Low bros, hashtag only bangers.